Michael, the boss just asked me a hard question.
Did you give him a good answer today?
No, I just said that I do not know.
Oh, that is a very bad office mistake.
He looked extremely disappointed and walked away quickly.
Saying I do not know makes you look weak.
I felt very passive and completely irresponsible.
You must never use that phrase at work again.
What should I say when I am unsure?
You need professional phrases to buy some time.
I want to look like a workplace star.
I will teach you 5 smart replacement sentences.
Please help me fix my big communication mistake.
Let us learn the first powerful alternative now.
What is the first professional replacement phrase?
You must show high responsibility to your boss.
How can I show responsibility without the answer?
Say you will find out and get back.
I will find out and get back to you.
Remember to always add a specific time, too.
I will get back to you by 3 o'clock.
That sounds incredibly proactive and very helpful.
It shows I am actively looking for solutions.
Exactly. Bosses love employees who solve hard problems.
I feel much more confident using this sentence.
It is much better than a lazy answer.
What is the second way to answer nicely?
We will use the strong team approach next.
Teach me the second smart alternative, please.
This one shows your great team spirit perfectly.
I work very closely with my whole department.
Say, let me check with the team quickly.
That is a very good question. Let me check.
Yes, praise the question before you answer it.
That gives me extra time to think carefully.
And it shows you collaborate well with others.
The boss will see our strong team connection.
He will respect your careful and shared decision.
I love this collaborative office communication style.
It removes the pressure from your shoulders immediately.
I am ready for the third professional trick.
The third trick uses your current project knowledge.
What if I only know half the answer?
Never hide the helpful information you already have.
How do I share incomplete data safely today?
You start with, based on what I know so far today.
Based on what I know so far today.
Then you share your true current project updates.
This proves I am not completely lost here.
It shows you always track the working progress.
The boss will see my daily hard work.
You provide value even without the final numbers.
That is a very clever communication strategy indeed.
It keeps the business conversation moving forward smoothly.
I have learned 3 amazing phrases so far.
We have 2 more powerful sentences to master.
What should I say when I need accuracy?
You must show you are being careful.
I do not want to guess wrong numbers.
Guessing numbers can cause huge problems at work.
How do I express my hesitation nicely?
Say, I am not completely sure right now.
I am not 100% sure today.
Then add, but I can look into it.
But I can look into it for you.
This phrase protects you from making stupid mistakes.
It shows I value truth over fast answers.
The boss will trust your reliable words.
Bless you. I will never guess data again.
Let us move to the final professional phrase.
Teach me the 5th way to answer nicely.
This is the most professional sentence today.
I want to sound like a senior manager.
Say you want to double-check the details first.
I would like to double-check that specific data.
Why do you need to double-check it now?
To give you the most accurate answer today.
That shows incredible attention to small details perfectly.
I love how detailed and precise that sounds.
It is perfect for complex reports and statistics.
The boss will see my dedication to quality.
Bless you. You replaced the bad phrase completely.
My office communication skills are much better now.
Now, let's compare two different employee types.
What is the difference between average and star?
The average employee only sees immediate problems.
They just say, I don't know, quickly.
They leave the heavy burden on the manager.
How does an office star handle the pressure?
A star always offers a clear action plan.
They take responsibility and find the right answers.
They use our 5 powerful replacement phrases daily.
Choosing the right words changes everything at work.
It builds a very strong professional reputation quickly.
I want to be the ultimate office star.
Bless you. You are on the right path.
How can I practice these new native phrases?
We will do some practical role-play exercises next.
I am ready for the first role-play test.
I am your boss asking a hard question.
I will answer you like an office star.
Anna, when is the final marketing report due?
I will find out and get back quickly.
Excellent, but give me a specific time frame.
I will get back to you by noon.
That was a perfect proactive response right there.
I felt very in control of the situation.
You did not panic or look confused anywhere.
Taking responsibility is actually very easy to do.
Bless you. Are you ready for challenge 2?
Yes, bring on the next difficult office question.
We will practice the team approach phrase next.
I am ready for the second role-play challenge.
Anna, how is the new software working?
That is a good question. Let me check.
I need to know the specific technical problems.
I will check with the team quickly.
That sounds like a great collaborative plan, Anna.
Do you need the software answer very quickly?
Yes, please report back before the meeting.
I will gather the team feedback for you.
You handled that unexpected question extremely well today.
Working with the team makes me confident.
Bless you. Teamwork always reduces your personal stress.
Let us move to the final role-play scenario.
We will practice the professional double-check phrase next.
Give me the hardest office question you have.
Anna, what were our total sales today?
I would like to double-check that specific data.
But the important client is waiting right now.
To give the most accurate answer, I must.
That is a very brave and professional response.
Guessing financial numbers is completely unacceptable at work.
You successfully protected the company from big errors.
I am very proud of my communication growth.
You are truly ready to be a manager.
Thank you for being a great mentor.
Bless you. You earned this success yourself, Anna.
What is the next exciting part of today?
We have a fun challenge for our audience.
It is time for the Daily Audience Challenge.
We want to test your new skills.
Imagine your boss asks about a missing document.
You do not know where the document is.
Which professional phrase will you choose today?
Option A, I will find out and get back.
Option B, let me check with the team.
Option C, I would like to double-check that.
Pick your favorite answer and comment below quickly.
We love reading your brilliant English answers every day.
Do not forget to practice these phrases.
Bless you. Practice makes your professional English perfect.
Are we ready to finish the lesson now?
Yes, let us do our powerful daily affirmations.
Let us review our powerful daily office affirmations.
First, repeat after me slowly and clearly.
I am listening to your positive words now.
I am proactive, responsible, and highly accurate today.
I am proactive, responsible, and highly accurate today.
Second, I bring incredible value to my team.
I bring incredible value to my team always.
Remember, never say, I do not know again.
I will always find the right professional answer.
You are a true star in the workplace.
Thank you for watching the English Global podcast.
Bless you. Keep improving your amazing communication skills.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Have a highly productive and successful workday, everyone.